All right, friends, we're going through the halls that Audi Creators they had extra prepared for us. We're going to talk about the cars that are our everyday darlings. So there's a bunch of stuff. You could talk about the RS models, you can talk about the everyday cars. Today's topic is everyday cars. So the cars that you would see in your day-to-day drive. Let's go and check out the halls. Here is actually the station where we met. We have coffee, we have everything that you want, man. It's really a nice place to be. All right, there's the whole Audi lineup, as you can see. Here we have the A1s, All-Stars that are called. So this is a new kind of city crossover car that you can drive also a little bit on an, I would say, a little bit on an off-road, but not really. Okay, so you could go actually off-road with it, but you'll break the car. Then we have the SQ2, which is the perfect entrance car if you want an Audi, man. I mean, 300 horsepower, 4-cylinder, pretty good car actually. I really, it's compact, it's okay. It's a good city car that you could drive every day. I mean, doesn't use a lot of fuel. But here is what I like, you know, this is the segment that I really like, the coupe. The A5 is a beautiful car, always looking the same. It has beautiful shoulder lines, broad, that quattro look, nice looking front grille. Very nice car in 3 different colors, white, blue and the green. The green is my personal favorite because it has this olive green touch, very nice, and the interior kind of looks the same. And this car is still available as a diesel. And a quick tip or secret tip, the 3-liter diesel that Audi has to offer in those cars, one of the best ever. There's other people here also, influencers that are testing the cars, you know, checking them out. On S8 is going for a drive today. Here we have the SQ5s, so also in 3 colors. You have the diesel option and it has sound generators. So whether you're a fan or not, but I can tell you, yesterday when somebody turned on that car, I thought it was a V8. I really did. It was, it sounded okay, you know, but still I would prefer it. If it's a diesel or electric, just leave the sound out. My favorite car is this one in blue. I really like that blue. It's really, really nice. Beautiful wheels, beautiful brakes, great car. Then we have something that I have not seen on the road a lot, and it's the e-tron 55 Q8 here. So you might remember the Q8. We did a review on that diesel Q8. This is the e-tron Sportback version of it in a very beautiful brown color. Also glow from the top here, very nice. And it's the flagship SUV that they offer right now with the Q7. So it has the same shape or the same size as a Cayenne, for example. And then we come to the big ones. That business guy, that big A8L long version flagship. I mean, look at that. 3 meters of wheelbase, absolutely beautiful. And the president's chair, of course, in the back. Still, I have to say, this is the old design. Audi has not presented the latest one yet. They really don't have a car right now that is that has a competition to the 7 Series, the latest 7 Series in its newest generation, and the S-Class. I think the car is just coming out. They're still in development. My favorite of the whole lineup is the S8, because here you're getting chauffeured. This is a car for you to be chauffeured in, to impress your business buddies, but this is something for you. You buy it, the S8, to drive it yourself. 571 horsepower, 800 newton meters of torque, a beautiful look, ceramic brakes, absolutely fantastic. An incredible car, and we did a whole review on it. Outside, exterior, interior review, and the drive, so make sure to check that out. Fantastic car. I was really surprised of how this goes. Really, the 4-liter TFSI engine is brilliant anyway. So those were the everyday darlings. I think we should go to some hidden halls. So behind this door is something very special, and it's a car that you've also never seen before. You have seen the model, but not the specific car. And it's the Audi RS e-tron GT, but in the ice race version. So combining white and purple also looks sick, man. It really looks sick. The purple has a sparkling effect. You couldn't believe it. And we also have a full detailed review on this car too, so make sure to check it out. I already did a presentation of it, but have a look at that. The Audi Q6. So make sure to check out the full review we did on the car. We did an exterior and interior review, but I mean, this is really unseen. I mean, that's crazy, man. It's really crazy. It's really, really crazy. And we have some very interesting features. For example, this beautiful shoulder line, the quattro blisters that it's called, and of course the new taillight. But I talked about that in detail in the review, so make sure to check it out. We can change the colors here in the whole room, as you can see, to display this car. It might look strange for you, but this is still a prototype. That's why it has this white color, and of course a brand new interior. And that's what you can expect from Audi for the future. This is how the cars are going to look like. So very easy, nice looking cars. All right, here is what the Q6 would look like on the normal road, right? It's still a prototype. As you can see, it has a foil on a wrap, so you don't see all of the beautiful things like the quattro blister, but it still looks nice. I mean, beautiful headlamps, very nice new design here actually, also LED down there. Of course, the Audi grille, the typical one that they use. It has a beautiful face, mid-size SUV, a mid-class SUV also, but looks crazy. And what is interesting with this car is the whole interior is sustainable materials. Look at that, recycled, the whole thing, the whole car, the seats, everything is from sustainable materials. And it has the communication tail lights here. For example, when I step away and then come close to the tail lights, you see that? That's a warning signal. And when I, for example, turn on the warn signal in the front of the car and make it blink, you'll see that this is the second generation. It's the communication taillight. But my absolute favorite of them all, and the car that I was mind blown by, is this, ladies and gentlemen. This is the only real thing that we need to talk about. You have seen it, but it is like you have never seen before. I mean, it has a spoiler in the front. Look, actual spoiler, man. This is a spoiler. It belongs to the back, but it's here. Then these openings, the whole thing pushing the car down, man. I can't give you too much. I can't give you too much. This is just a walk around the vlog of the Audi Creators Day and the Everyday Darlings event, but you can check out the review I did on it. You can check out the full detailed review. We couldn't drive it sadly, but this is really... I touched the same steering wheel that the master driver Ken Block touched. So that is a great feeling. That's it for the Audi Creators Day vlog. A special thanks to Cornelia Böhm for inviting us to this beautiful event. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the cars that we presented. Make sure to check out the links of the cars are in the description. Check out our Instagram, TikTok. Write us in the comment what you would like to see the next. And see you on the next one. Goodbye.